Huge changes have been unveiled today that'll affect anyone wanting to fly a drone in Canada, including the requirement that all drone operators pass a test. Sheila Scott is live at the float plane terminal in downtown Vancouver. Sheila, the feds say this is all about improving safety.
Yeah, like take this area, for example. It's become a popular place for people to fly drones despite being against the rules and creating a dangerous situation with all the air traffic through here. Helijet is one of the agencies today saying it supports these new regulations being brought in. There's no doubt the footage from drones can be beautiful. Problem is, it can also be dangerous.
So many people are doing it illegally, you kind of fall into this gray area.
This video, taken in 2015, is one of many investigated by Transport Canada as it was taken in a busy flight path. But as of June, rules are about to get tougher, requiring an exam to become a drone pilot.
Regardless of how you plan on operating your drone, if it's for fun or for work or for research, everyone will need to pass an online test.
Drones will also have to be registered, and users will have to be at least 14 to become a certified pilot. Nobody will be allowed to use a drone within 12 hours of consuming alcohol.
If you put an object in the air, in the airspace of this country, you are in fact piloting it, and if you cause an accident that can have enormous repercussions.
Changes also include keeping the devices at least 30 meters away from bystanders in most cases and keeping drones below 400 feet. Only first responders can fly over emergency scenes. The new licensing system is expected to cut down on paperwork.
With the new rules, there'll be a much smaller group that will be required to maintain these special operations flight certificates for the more complex tasks that some of the drones are going to be developed for.
Kate Klassen helped draft the exam and says it's a positive step.
We're managing risk effectively and keeping the skies safe for those in the air, but also for those on the ground.
The federal government is now consulting with police across the country on how these new rules will be enforced when they take effect June 1st.
Definitely a big change. Okay, Sheila, let's talk about the penalties here.
Well, if you're flying by yourself and you're caught breaking the rules, the penalties start at around $1,000 for companies. That goes up to $25,000 and could include jail time as well. Scott?
Okay, thank you, Sheila.